Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to pass an array as parameter in C#. Over here we have got a basic function called add seconds to time, and the parameters that the function will take will be an array in string format and will be called as time points, and the second parameter will just be an integer called added seconds. So how do we pass an array when we are calling this function? To do that, we just go to the static void main. Since this function is a static function, we do not need to initialize it, we can directly call it. So in this case, add time to seconds, and then if I pass in my time points as string, so this is the hour, this is the minutes, and this is the seconds, and the same thing with and if I pass in my integer, which is just a number, as 366, then I am getting an error. So if I look at this error, then it is saying there is no argument that corresponds to the required format parameter. So what this is saying is whatever we have put over here is not in the array format. If this was a JavaScript, then we can directly call our arrays like this, and even changing it to curly braces, we are still going to get an error. So how do we pass in an array to our function? One way to do this would be we need to initialize our array. Let's say string, and then we will call this array as time points, and then if I say new string array, and if I copy my values over here, so what I've done is I have created an array and given it a value which contains two strings. Now I can directly pass this array to the function points. See, the error is gone. This is one way to pass it. Another way to pass an array to a function is if we copy the entire line, then we can directly paste this over here, and we don't need this line anymore because we are directly passing in the array to the function. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.